Thank you for your purchase with Cobra Auto Accessories. Let's go over our installation for defined curved hoods. You will slide the bra onto your hood like a glove and proceed to strapping it down. This strap style runs through the bra horizontally and can be pulled from either end to adjust. Be sure to hook these straps in holes close toward the windshield with the belt remaining flat. You will continue to strap down the bra snug and not too tight in the available holes. You will want to make sure the seam is under the hood along the edge of the bra. Be sure that when you're adjusting this belt that it is diagonal toward the windshield. Once adjusted to desired fit, you will take scissors and cut excess material from the straps diagonally. After which, you will take your lighter and burn the edges you cut to close the stitching. Close your hood and you are ready to drive.